Okay. Today we are going to recap first 10 minutes. We are going to do a recap. Curve work, chair work, tar work, and then we are going to see the tar work. Okay. Last session, ma'am gave you an intro, no? So first we're going to a recap and kindly repeat after me. Okay, children? Okay. Here comes the Hindi consonants. We called in Hindi Vyanjan. Vyanjan. Hindi consonants we called Vyanjan. Okay, children? Vyanjan means consonants. Okay, in Hindi consonants we have different varg. Varg means classes. Different varg. We learned in last session we learned ka varg, cha varg, ta varg, and ta varg. Okay, and here comes the first varg ka. Ka. Ka varg. Ka. 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 Okay, you have to make the sound from your throat. Ka. 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 In ka वर्ग we have 5 letters. We have 5 letters. In का वर्ग में हमें 5 अक्षर है. पहला अक्षर क्या है? क. The first letter is क. Ka is the leader of that class. Ka is the leader of that class. Okay, children. Trisha ma'am, please kindly next slide, Trisha ma'am. Yes. Ka work. In ka work we have 5 letters. We have 5 letters. Okay, children. For the first letter is ka. The first letter is ka. Yes. Ka. Ka is the leader of that class. Ka is the leader of that class. Okay, children. Now we will see. Yes, Trisha ma'am. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Ka. Okay, Trisha ma'am. Ka. Ka. You have to make the sound from your throat. Ka. Ka. And second letter is kha. You have to take your palm and put in front of your mouth and add little bit hard sound. Kha. 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 You can feel the air is coming outside. Yes, children? Kha. 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 And the third letter, G. 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 You have to make the sound from your throat. G. 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 And fourth letter we have to add little bit harsh sound. Gha. Trisha ma'am, next slide. Yes, thank you ma'am. Gha. 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 And the fifth letter is ng. Ng. The sound should come from your throat and from your nose. Ng. Ing. Ing. Okay. In ka work, we have 5 letters. In ka work, we have 5 letters. The first letter is ka, kha, ga, gha, ing. Shall we repeat once again, children? Ka, you have to make the sound from your throat. Ka, kha, ga, gha, ing. Once again. Ka, kha, ga, kha, ing. Once again. Ka, kha, ga, kha, ing. And here comes the next word. Ch, ch, ch. Here comes the next word. Ch. Tisha ma'am. Ch, ch. While pronouncing letter ch, we have to tell it from inside of our mouth. Vaikula solukunam. The air should not come outside. Okay, children? Ch, ch, ch. I think see, children, has Trisha ma'am had some technical. Yes. Okay, Trisha ma'am. Thank you. Ch, 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 ch. Yes. And the second letter, you have to add little bit of sound. ch, 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 ch. The R should come outside. Okay, children? Ch. Jaganvel, don't send annotation request, Kanna. Ch, ch, ch. And the third letter is j, 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 j. And the third letter is j. Trisha, ma'am. Yes. J. Jaganvel. J. 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 And fourth letter, you have to add little bit ha sound and you have to tell. J. 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 And the fifth letter, nya.
Ja letter visible, ma'am.
Nya. Okay, children, see, in every word and second letter, fourth letter, you have to add little ha.
Ja letter visible, ma'am.
Yes, yes. In every word, the second letter and the fourth letter, we have to add little bit ha sound. And the R should come outside. Okay. By pronouncing first letter and the third letter, the R should not come outside. Okay, children? You can check. Okay. You take your palm and in front of your mouth, put in front of your mouth and check it. Okay. Kindly mute your video. Yes. Yes. What ma'am said, what I told, the first letter and the third letter, the R should not come outside. In every second letter, Monish Magati 1981, kindly mute your audio Kanna. Monish, kindly mute your audio Kanna. Yes. The first letter and the third letter, the R should not come outside. Okay, children? By pronouncing second letter and fourth letter, you have to add little bit ha sound. And the R should come outside. Okay? This is the cha work. In cha work, we have 5 letters. Ch, 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 j, nya. Once again, ch, ch, j, ch, nya. Okay, children? Here comes the next work. Ta. Ta work. Here comes the ta work. In ta work also we have 5 letters. The first letter and the third letter, the R should not come outside while pronouncing that letters. Okay? By pronouncing the second letter and the fourth letter, you have to add little bit ha sound. Okay, children? See, ta work also has 5 letters. The letters are t, t, t. You should pronouncing inside of a mouth. Vaikullada solikunu. T, 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 t. And the second letter, you have to add little bit ha sound. T, 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 t. The third letter, t, d, 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 d. The fourth letter, you have to add little bit ha sound. Th, 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 th. The fifth letter, n, n. The sound should come from your nose. No, 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 no. Now we are going to see with the pictures. Okay, children? Here comes the first letter with the pictures. T. T से टमाटर. टमाटर means tomato. And the दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? दूसरा पिक्चर में टहनी. टहनी means tree branch. Okay? T से टमाटर. T से टहनी. Kindly repeat after me, children. T. T. T से टमाटर. T से टहनी. T से टमाटर. T से टहनी. दूसरा पिक्चर, दूसरा लेटर क्या है? हमें क्या करना चाहिए दूसरा लेटर में? What we have to do? We have to add लिटिल बिट हार्ड साउंड. दूसरे लेटर में हमें हार्ड साउंड जोड़ना है. ठ ठ ठ से ठटेरा. ठटेरा माने टिंकर. दूसरे पिक्चर में क्या है? ठप्पा. ठप्पा मीन्स स्टैम्प. ठ से ठटेरा. ठ से ठप्पा. Once again, kindly repeat after me. ठ से ठटेरा. ठ से ठप्पा. Once again. ठ. ठ से ठटेरा. ठ से ठप्पा. And the third letter is D. 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 D से डमरू. D से डमरू. डमरू means pallet drum. Kindly mute your audio, Monish. D. D से डमरू. डमरू means pallet drum. पिक्चर में क्या है? डलिया. डलिया माने बास्केट. डलिया. ड से डमरू. ड से डलिया. ड. ड से डमरू. ड से डलिया. Once again. ड से डमरू. ड से डलिया. And the fourth letter is, the fourth letter in the ta work is, you have to have little bit harsh sound. Dh. Dh. ढ. ढ से ढक्कन. ढक्कन मीन्स लिड. दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? ढोलक. ढोलक मीन्स ड्रमर. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढोलक. काइंडली रिपीट आफ्टर मी चिल्ड्रन. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढोलक. And the fifth letter in the ta work is na. 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 There is a no words that begins with na sound. Okay, children? Shall we repeat once again? You have to repeat after me. Okay, you have to do practice. Then only it is easy to learn. Okay, children? The first letter ta. Ta se टमाटर. Ta se टहनी. Once again. Ta. Ta se टमाटर. Ta से टहनी. And the next letter ठ. ठ. ठ से ठटेरा. ठ से ठटेरा. Yes, Tisha ma'am, next slide. ठ से ठटेरा. And ठ से ठप्पा. ठ से ठटेरा. ठ से ठप्पा. ठ से ठटेरा. ठ से ठप्पा. And the third letter is D. D. D से डमरू. डमरू means pallet drum. And दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? डलिया. ड से डमरू. ड से डलिया. Once again. ड से डमरू. ड से डलिया. डलिया means basket. And the fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Dh. Dh. Dh से ढक्कन. ढ से ढोलक. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढोलक. ढ से ढक्कन. ढ से ढोलक. And the fifth letter na. Na. The sound should come from your nose. Okay, children? Na. Na. There is a no words that begins with na sound. Okay. Now we are moving to next class. Ta class. Ta. 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 The air should not come outside, children. We are pronouncing the letter ta. The air should not come outside. Okay. Ta. 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 Ta varg. Varg. Varg mane class. In ta varg also we have 5 letters. The first letter is ta. Ta is the leader of that class. Okay, children? Ta. Ta. The second letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Tha. 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 And the third letter ta. Ta. The. The fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Th. 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 And the fifth letter na. 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 Okay, now we are going to see with the pictures. Okay, children, here comes the first letter and the pictures. Yes, Tisha ma'am. Yes. Ta. Ta से तरबूज. तरबूज मीन्स क्या? वाटरमेलन. तरबूज माने वाटरमेलन. दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? तकिया. तकिया मीन्स पिल्लो. तरबूज, तकिया. तरबूज माने watermelon. तकिया माने पिल्लो. Okay, children, repeat after me. त. त से तरबूज. त से तकिया. त से तरबूज. त से तकिया. Okay, and the second letter in ta work is you have to add little bit harsh sound. I don't know for in every class second letter and fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Thermos. Thermos. See, you can feel the air is coming outside by pronouncing letter tha. Thermos. Thermos. Thermos means flask. Okay, children. And दूसरे पिक्चर में क्या है? थाली. थाली means plate. थ से थर्मस. थ से थाली. Kindly repeat after me, children. T. Th. Th. Th से थर्मस. थ से थर्मस. दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? थाली. थ से थर्मस. थ से थाली. And the next letter. What is the next letter? अभी no, don't send annotation request करना. द. द से दवाई. दवाई means medicine. दूसरा पिक्चर में क्या है? दरवाजा. दरवाजा means door. द से दवाई. द से दरवाजा. Once again. द से दवाई. द से दरवाजा. Kindly repeat after me. द से दवाई. द से दरवाजा. And the fourth letter you have to add little bit harsh sound. Th. Th. Dha से धनुष. ध से धनुष. धनुष means bow. ध से धनुष. दूसरे पिक्चर में क्या है? धोबी. धोबी. धोबी means washerman who washes the clothes. ध से धनुष. ध से धोबी. Once again. ध से धनुष. ध से धोबी. थ. 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 ध से धनुष. ध से धोबी. And the fifth letter in ta work is na. 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 See, children, in ka work, cha work, ta work. The last fifth letter there is a no words that begins with yes, but in ta work, na have a words that begins with its sound. Okay, children? Na. 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 Na से null. Null means tap. Null. 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 Okay, children? दूसरे पिक्चर में क्या है? नदी. नदी माने रिवर. न से नल. न से नदी. न से नल. न से nadi. Nadi means river. Null means tap. Shall we repeat once again? Kindly repeat after me, children. The first letter ta. Ta is the leader of that class. Okay, children? Ta, tha, the, tha, na, ta. Ta से तरबूज. त से तकिया. त से तरबूज. त से तकिया. The next letter th. th से थर्मस. th से थाली. Once again. th. th से थर्मस. th से थाली. And the third letter द. द से दवाई. द से दरवाजा. द से दवाई. Da se darwaja. And the fourth letter, tha. You have to add little bit of sound. Tha. Tha se dhanush. Tha se dhobi. Tha se dhanush. Tha se dhobi. And the fifth letter, na. Na se nal. Na se nadi. Yes, Tisha ma'am, next slide. Thank you, ma'am. Na se nal. Na se nadi. Na se nal. Na se nadi. Yes, children, don't worry. In every class, ma'am is going to repeat the letters, Vyanjan and its sounds. Okay. Now, Tisha ma'am is going to teach you how to write the letters. You have to listen carefully and have to see. Okay. And if you take your books and pencil, children. What to Tisha ma'am?
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev, children. Children, take your rough note and pencil. Today we are going to learn the work. How to write the work. This is the fourth class. The work. Children, the work. How many letters are there? In the वर्ग how many letters? कितने letters है the वर्ग में? 5 अक्षर है. कितने अक्षर है? 5 अक्षर है. पहला अक्षर क्या है? पहला अक्षर है त. 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 There should go inside t. Who is the leader of the class? T. Children, first draw standing line. Then take your pencil and draw standing line. Draw standing line. Oh, I hope you all are ready. Yes. Standing line. Then at the left side, draw sleeping line. Children, at the left side, draw sleeping line. Then third step, see children, put one curve. Draw a curve. Standing line, sleeping line, then draw a curve. Draw half curve. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. First, you have to put standing line. Then at the left side, draw sleeping line. Then draw half curve. On the top, sleeping line. T. 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 Your tongue should touch your teeth. T. T. There should go inside T. T se tarbuja. T se tarbuja. Tarbuja means watermelon. Tarbuja. Next letter you have to add little bit ha sound. What is that? Th. Th. Little bit ha sound. Children, see here. Draw small curve. Children, you have to first look at the board, then you write. First, draw small circle. Small circle. Then, draw closed curve. Children, to touch the circle and put one closed curve. Small circle, and to touch this line, and it will come down, put one closed curve. Closed curve. And see here, look at the board children. To touch this line, put one down curve, it will go little bit up. It will go little bit up. Put one down curve and it will go little bit upwards curve and put one. It will go little bit up. See children, the line should go up and come down. put one standing line. The line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Small circle. Then second step, draw closed curve. Then draw a curve. It will go little bit up. And put one standing line. On the top, sleeping line. Little bit ha sound. The air should come outside. Th. Th. Then the air should come outside. Th. Th. त पहला अक्षर क्या है त दूसरा अक्षर क्या है थ थ तीसरा अक्षर क्या है the air should go inside the children first you have to draw small standing line. Children, you have to draw first small standing line. Small standing line. Then draw opening curve. Then you have to draw opening curve. You have to draw opening curve. Small standing line. Then draw opening curve. See children, look at here. See the line should go up and put one circle. Put a small circle. Small standing line, opening curve, and then the line should go up and put one small circle, and put a small tail. Put a small tail out. Put a small tail out. Small tail out. On the top, sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Children, again and again I tell you that sleeping line is compulsory for all the Hindi letters, Hindi akshars. Ta, tha, ta. हम लोग फर्स्ट वन फिनिश हो गया, पहला अक्षर हो गया, दूसरा अक्षर भी हो गया, तीसरा अक्षर हो गया. अभी हम लोग जाएंगे चौथा अक्षर, फोर्थ लेटर. What is the fourth letter? You have to add little bit ha sound. Dha. Dha. The air should come outside. Dha. Children, see here. See here. Look at the code. Draw small curve. Children, you have to draw first small circle. Small circle. Then, see children, test this line and draw small opening curve. You have to first put small circle, then to test this line, and it will come opening curve, opening curve, opening curve, then draw U shape. See children, you have to draw U shape. You have to draw U shape.
Excuse me.
Then you have to draw U shape.
Video is not visible now.
Janvika, audio.
Actually, put your mobile in landscape, ma'am. There is an icon. We can see the 4 boxes. In Trisha ma'am box, you can tap 2 times. It will be visible. If someone is unmuting and talking, it is not visible. Please kindly parents, kindly students, mute your audio and video. Okay.
Then draw U shape. Then first put a small circle, then draw opening curve. Then third step, draw U shape. See here, the line should go up and come down. The line should go up and come down. Put one standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. See children, the line should not touch here. It will keep distance. See here, line should not close. It will keep distance. Put a small standing line. Then on the top, draw sleeping line. The, the, th. What is the fifth letter? पांचवा अक्षर क्या है? न. पांचवा अक्षर क्या है? न. Children draw circle. Children draw small circle. Putty circle. Children, you have to draw small circle. Yes. Then it will go up and put one sleeping line. To test the circle, it will go up and put one sleeping line. Sleeping line. It will go up and come down. Put one standing line. It will go up and come down. Put one standing line. On the top, sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Children, repeat after ma'am. The, no. What's the first letter? The. दूसरा अक्षर क्या है? थ. Little bit hard sound. You have to add little bit hard sound. थ. तीसरा अक्षर क्या है? द. Little bit hard sound. Fourth letter. th. Last letter. No. The, no. Children, one more time. Those who are not writing, see here. Draw standing line. Then at the right side, put one sleeping line. Put a small sleeping line. Then draw half curve. Children, draw half curve. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. दूसरा अक्षर, small circle. Small circle. Then draw closed curve. Draw closed curve. And then draw a curve. It will go little bit up. Then draw a curve. It will go little bit up. Then it will go up and come down. Put one standing line. Put one standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Sleeping line. Third. तीसरा अक्षर क्या है? Small standing line. Small standing line. Then draw opening curve.
Ma'am, board
Draw. Yes.
board is not visible, ma'am.
Now visible, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay. Opening curve. Then put one circle. Put one circle. Then put a small tail out. Children, put a small tail out. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Fourth letter क्या है? Small circle. Children, draw small circle. Then test this line and put one opening curve. Draw opening curve. Then you have to draw U shape. Children, draw U shape. It will go up and come down. Put one standing line. Put one standing line. On the top, draw sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Th. Last letter, N. Small circle. Small circle. To test this line and put one sleeping line. Put one sleeping line. And it will go up and come down. Put one standing line. Put a standing line. On the top, sleeping line. On the top, sleeping line. No. No. What is the letter? Last letter? No. No. Children, repeat after ma'am. The. The. No. Once again. The. No. No. Thursday. Children, Thursday. Tarbuja. Tarbuja means watermelon. Thursday. Tarbuja. Second akshar. Small circle. Opening curve. Closed curve. Then the curve should go up and come down. Put one standing line. On the top, sleeping line. Third akshar, small standing line. Opening curve. And it will go little bit up and put one circle. And put a small tail out. On the top, sleeping line. On the top, draw sleeping line. Fourth akshar, चौथा अक्षर क्या है? Small circle, opening curve, then draw U shape, small standing line. It will go up and come down. On the top, sleeping line. Th. Last letter, small circle. The line should go up and put one sleeping line. Put a sleeping line. It will go up and come down. On the top, sleeping line. Children, say along with ma'am. The. Little bit hard sound. दूसरा अक्षर th. The. Th. No. Once again. The. Th. The. Th. No. One more time. See here. The. दूसरा अक्षर क्या है? Little bit hard sound. Th. That should come outside. Th. तीसरा अक्षर क्या है? The. चौथा अक्षर क्या है? Little bit hard sound. th. पांचवा अक्षर क्या है? Last letter. No. You just fold your tongue and say no. The. No. Children, I hope you all are finished. Children, take a rough note and write three times. Practice in your home and send it to the photo in your WhatsApp group. Okay, children? Now today we are going to one more time recap the counting. Yes. Do you know that what is this? Yes. Already you know that. Sketches. Children, how many sketch pens are there? 10. How many? 10. What is the first one? Ek. Ek. Do. Do. Teen. Teen. Char. Char. Panch. Panch. Che. Che. Kindly mute your now. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः. This one is सात. सात. That means 7. आठ. आठ. 8. 9. 9.
Time up, ma'am.
10. Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. 10. 10. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10. Don't worry, children. Ma'am will teach you again and again. Don't worry. Once again, एक. Repeat after ma'am. Say along with ma'am. एक दो तीन चार पाँच. Kindly mute yourself. पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10. How many children? 10 sketches are there. In Hindi, 10. Counting. Counting in Hindi, we call it as ginti. 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 Okay, children. Today we finished the work and counting also. Next session also, ma'am will teach you again and again. Don't worry. Children, take practice 3 times and send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, children.